what we're doing is we've integrated Mysterium into Havelo and making that available to our users. So our customers can effectively be running the Mysterium node on their computer and getting paid for basically sharing their IP, sharing their resources in exchange for Mysterium tokens.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Dominic Carosa. He is the chairman of Blockmate Ventures. And Dominic, it's good to see you again. How are you?
Thanks for having me again, Steve.
Yeah, good to have you along. And you've got news out about one of your portfolio companies, Havelo. And before we talk about the news itself, maybe talk a little bit about Havelo and more importantly, the work that they're doing and how important it is.
Yeah, so Havelo is a Blockmate investee. We're actually the founding shareholder. And Havelo is in the space called DePIN, which stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. And the best way to categorize DePIN, if you go back and think of Airbnb, you had a house or you had a room and you're renting it out and earning cash. DePIN is basically following the same concept where you can rent the resources on your computer. Things like your CPU, your GPU, your hard drive, your storage, you rent them out and then you get paid either in native tokens or you get paid in cash. And that's basically the Havelo platform in a nutshell.
Yeah. And so announcing out today that Havelo has signed a deal with the Mysterium network, and maybe talk a bit about this particular company and how the two mesh together.
Mysterium is a VPN, a decentralized virtual private network that many people around the world use, businesses use, if they're looking at it from a business SEO perspective. So VPNs are utilized all around the world, and Mysterium just happens to run one of the leading decentralized VPNs. And so what we're doing is we've integrated Mysterium into Havelo and making that available to our users. So our customers can effectively be running the Mysterium node on their computer and getting paid for basically sharing their IP, sharing their resources in exchange for Mysterium tokens.
Yeah, and this is sort of another key step in the development of Havelo as well, because this adds another layer of earnings on for the company or potential revenue for the company, but also adds a chance to have the users of Mysterium to understand who Havelo is and combine the two.
Correct. Well, Mysterium will also be promoting Havelo out to their users. So instead of someone just using the DePIN, the Mysterium DePIN, they can use Havelo and then have 6, 8, or a dozen DePINs all running at the same time on their computer, basically maximizing their ROI. And then this is something that Havelo will continue to do. We sign up and add more new DePINs into our platform just to basically provide a much better quality offering to our customers.
And lastly, Dominic, is this the type of thing that we should expect from Havelo moving forward? Is these types of deals that give a great opportunity to the people who are with Havelo already?
And we're going to be absolutely adding more DePINs, more DePIN partners, but also over the next 12 months, we'll be adding some further partnerships in terms of marketing and distribution partnerships. And we're talking to some fairly major exchanges out there. And all I'll say is watch your space.
All right, sounds good. Dominic, thank you so much. Good update and good to talk to you as well.
Thank you, Steve.
All right, Dominic Carosa. He is the chairman of Blockmate Ventures.